Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to show you guys how to make these fun little stackable envelopes. And they're super cute. So we got a little one, and then a medium-sized one, and a big one. Okay? And pardon my hands, I was refilling my ink and I got vintage photo all over my hands. So that's what's on my hand. I was having too much fun with my ink. Okay, well, it's oxide. It's just the oxide, but it was getting low, so I had to refill it and I made a mess. So in a couple days, hopefully it'll be gone. So now what I have here is I'm using cardstock. So we're going to use up our cardstock papers. And I got this for Christmas, and I'm assuming, I think it's from Walmart, or you can get it off Amazon, but it's just 176 GM plus 65 pound. That's the weight and stuff of it. And it's just different kinds there that you can get: husk, grocery kit, honeycomb, concrete, and stone. And they're really fun to play with. So I'm having so much fun here. And I will show you the measurements and everything. So I got cardstock, I got scissors, I have blending tools, some oxides, and some just wax seals here. And I have a wax seal kit that I will put down in the links for you guys to come check it out. And if I forget to put anything in the Amazon link, just let me know. Write it in the comments and I'll make sure to get it on for you guys. But this is really fun to make, and I have a video showing you guys how I made these fun little trinkets here. And I do them on wine corks. And they're really fun. These are great to hang from like your journals and stuff like that. I'll make sure to put the Etsy link down below. I sell a set of 3 for you guys if you want to come check them out. But I'll put it on the end screen too, so you guys come make them, the video for you. So they're super fun. They're really easy, and they're great for your journals. So that's pretty much basically how I, make these too. Okay, and let's get started. So let's see. So I have a 4x4 inch cut, is what this one is. 5x5 inch cut, square, and 6x6 inch square. Those are the measurements. Those are how to make it so they stack inside each other, okay? So what we're gonna do is let's start with the big one here. So what I like to do is just take it and meet the corners like that. Just match up the corners and pinch in the middle. And then do the same over here. So just match the corners and then pinch and make a crease in the middle. Then you're going to take this and go to the middle X here that you made and just meet up right along there. And just like that. Okay. And for the bottom part of your envelope, you're going to want to fold up a little bit more, just like that. I'll show you. So you can see that you're folding up, and then it's popped up like that. Okay. So I do that. Oh, and then, so I got my this is my Fabrifix glue, and I just have it in my little jar here. And then this is my art glitter glue. So the art glitter glue, I'm just taking it and gluing down the edges here. So I'm just put a bead of glue there and a bead of glue there. Okay. And when I glue down my seals here, my wax seals, I use the Fabrifix glue because I did it with the art glitter glue and it kept coming off. So I suggest to do something a little stronger, like Fabri-Tac, Fabrifix. And then I just take it and just cut the tip off there, or you can fold the tip down too, either way. And it helps when you do it straight. Okay. So just like that. And then I just take the top, and because I have the top pretty much open on these, but if you want to put them down, I just do a little decoration, a little stenciling. So I just pretty much line it up. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, just however you want it. So there we go. So I just fold that down, just like that. Okay. And then we'll take our glue, and I just put it here. And then take your seal, and just put it halfway on like that. And line it up where you want it. So there we go. Okay. You can always stencil before you put on the wax seal too. I actually had the wax seals on when I stenciled, so it didn't really make too big of a difference. I still got it on there how I wanted it. So it's up to you, however you want to do that. So there's the first one. Okay, that's the biggest one. And let's go ahead and do the medium-sized one. So we're just going to fold it in half, or I mean touch the corner to corner, pinch, and then corner to corner, line them up, hold it, and then pinch. Okay, and then you got yourself a little X or plus sign in the middle. And then you just take two flaps. You fold one here. You fold the other one here. You take this one and go up a little bit and line it up like that. So then it's folded up on the sides. You can see the crease here. Okay. And if you want, you can cut this first. You can fold this down and tuck it under and glue it if you want. Or you can leave it pointy. I mean, it's your preference here. Whatever you want. So I just do a little snip. Glue. So these are really fun and just fast to make. Like if you want to sit and make a bunch of envelopes, it's great to sit in, you know, your comfy chair and just watch your favorite programs and just sit and make envelopes until your heart is content. See, that's a little crooked, but that's okay. I'm not really, yeah, that's it. And then just fold this down. And I just pretty much just line it up how I want it. Okay. So there we go. Take another one. Pop it on here. Got ourselves a little seal. A little wax seal there. Okay, so that's number 2. That's the middle one. And then here is the small one. And I have this one pretty much folded. So there's the bottom. There we go. And like that. Fold that one down. A little pop of glue. This on here. Okay, now we got all of them stacking inside of each other. So there we go. There we go. So pretty much you're just going to want to do 1 inch smaller. So start off, so they got a 6-inch and then a 5-inch square and then a 4-inch square. So, you know, if you want to do a 7-inch square, just go to a 6-inch square and then a 5-inch square. And then you could do a 4-inch square. I mean, you could do as many as you want. You can keep just stacking them and have fun little stackable envelopes here. They're really fun. Okay, so now I'll show you guys. Let's do some stenciling. So if you guys are enjoying this video, I'd love it if you hit the like button. That gets my video out there more to show people how to make these fun little stackable envelopes. And I'd love to hear from you guys. If you can comment down below. Let me know how yours turned out. You can tag me in any posts that you made. And yeah, I love commenting on your guys' videos and pictures too. And so let's just get this ball rolling and see what you guys are making too. I love it. I love it. Okay. So now we're gonna just do this. So for the big one, I want to do my feather stencil, and all these stencils will be in my Amazon links down below. Okay. So I'm just gonna take this one, and I got Crackling Campfire, Vintage Photo, Walnut Stain, and Black Soot, and they're all oxides. Okay. So I'm just gonna start lining this up how I want it. And stencil. Okay, there we go. That turned out really fun. And then I just go ahead and do the top here. So when it's closed, just line it up however you want. There we go. You get the top, just like that. Okay, so that's out. And if you want to do the other side, you can. That's totally up to you. But for now, I'm just doing the fronts here, just to show you guys how I do these. Okay, so I got that one, and then my middle one, I did my birds. Make sure you guys can see. I gotta go down a little bit. Okay. Isn't that pretty? This is so much fun. Okay, and up here, do little birds like that. I think that'd be cute. Look at that. There's the top, and there's the bottom. So that's fun. And then the little one here, I did my bumblebee. Like this. That's fun. And then let's do the top. I just did the tiny one. Let's do this one. Try to just fit it on there. This part of it, just however it fits on there. So I just like blending and just, you know, grabbing different colors and stuff and just kind of, I think it just gives it a fun interest. So there we go. So there's the top, and there's the inside. So now let's see how they look all stacked up together. Okay. So we got our big one. Oh, we got our medium-sized one. You gotta stack them right. And then I just make sure I can just go like that with it. I put the next one in and kind of put it up like that. And then you can fold that one down, and that one down. Like that. So now what you could do is you could take these and add some glue in the back and glue it to your journal page like that. And then you have some fun envelopes to take out and you can add throughout, you know, like if you're, say you're selling the journal or making it for yourself to use, and you're like, I know I want envelopes, but I'm not sure when I want to use them or how I want to incorporate them, or, you know, like if I was selling one, I would just be like, oh, here's extra envelopes if they want to incorporate them, you know, throughout. So this would be a great idea. You can even pin them. I mean, you can even take it. You don't have to glue the big envelope down. You could take it in, just take it to your journal and clip it to the side like that. And then when they open it, or when you open it later and you're like, oh yeah, that's right, I got fun little pockets. So you can even take this out and, you know, later on glue it to the journal and then have fun little pockets to put throughout, you know, little fun envelopes to have in there. Or, you know, you can send these off as little happy mails, and they're just fun. They're just great little, and I just thought it would be a great idea to keep them like this and have them stacked. So you got little stackable envelopes, just like that. So I hope you guys found this informational, and if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.